Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review video for a brand new product that's launching tomorrow on Warrior Plus called Polaris. Polaris is being brought out by Jono Armstrong, that's my coach and my mentor, and what it is, it's a software that creates landing pages, so to be able to do list building and thank you pages for 15 pre-chosen Clickbank products. And why it's specifically focusing on Clickbank this time is that one of the biggest obstacles for newbies is to get their links approved. So Clickbank, you don't need to get your links approved. You can immediately go and choose the product. Guys, let's look at the sales page, and then I'm going to show you my bonuses. We'll look at the software a bit more, and you can make up your mind from there. So there's Polaris. Attention marketers overpaying for funnel software and traffic, the world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. It's making us $1,200 per day. Now it's your turn. It's going to be a video there, and they start off by saying, does it feel like it's an uphill battle, affiliate marketing? You have to create a landing page, a money page. Basically, as I said, that's what this product does. It creates a landing page where you can very easily collect people's email addresses, and a money page, which is the thank you page, to lead to more sales. Polaris, they were automated funnel software. They developed a automated funnel software just as powerful as the big names, proven 2-in-1 free viral traffic built in. I'll show you that the traffic element, and 20, I don't know why I said 15 earlier, but there are 20 DFY funnels come on the front end. There's Jono. So you can go through the rest of the page yourself, but Jono's doing remarkably well. And this really, as I said, instead of sending your traffic directly to a Clickbank offer, the software creates amazing squeeze pages and money pages, so you can benefit just so much more. So you can go through the rest of the sales page. You can read it there for yourself. Let me show you my bonus page. So there's Polaris, and there's going to be the demo video. It's starting off at $17. What is Polaris all about? Customers get access to 20 done-for-you funnels in top Clickbank niches with highest gravity. So that means that they've chosen the top 20 products in different niches on Clickbank where people are promoting and making money. They can build unlimited campaigns with these 20 funnels. So you can build campaigns in the Polaris software. Marketing resources consists email sequences for mailing their subscribers and high quality banners for each funnel. So inside Polaris, they've already got the swipes, email swipes, and banners for you, and social media, and Google works for both Google and Facebook ads, and they're providing traffic training. So there's the front end is $17, and that you get those 20 campaigns. Upsell 1, you get additional 40 done for you funnels in the top Clickbank niches, including custom funnels for our handpicked 17 best converting Clickbank products. So you're getting 40 done for you funnels plus 17 best converting Clickbank product. You also get access to our Traffic and Sales Academy, which is for advanced Facebook, Google, solo ads. So if you want to go for OTO 1, as the additional 40 done for you campaigns plus 17 best converting other Clickbank offers. OTO 2, upsell 2, you'll get high ticket Clickbank product funnels, allowing you to use Polaris for high ticket. You'll also get regular updates on new high tickets that come on to Clickbank, and they'll put it into the software. Upsell 3, high ticket DFY funnel and limited traffic. You'll get full access to Jono's 2020, all of Jono's 2020 products, plus what they say in there is you can put your pixel on all of Jono's products, so you can start building up your retargeting pixels and get traffic to be able to do ads to those people that have come to those sales pages, which is a lot. and OTO4 resellers bundle license $197. So if you want to take this product and get 100% on all of the on the whole funnel, that costs $197. That's upsell for. So there's no more paying for software. There's a once-off fee. No more struggling to learn complex funnel builders. No more broken funnel leaks. No more paying for traffic and waiting weeks for results. Let me show you my bonuses. Bonus number one is Jono's DFY campaigns for 365 days. So it's access my DFY campaigns for 365 days. So Jono's going to be showing you all of the campaigns that he's been promoting for over and chosen the best for 365 days. So you've got a lot to promote. Bonus number two, 38, and that is value of $427. Bonus number two, value $46.95. 30 HQ bonuses you can give away with Polaris when you're promoting. So 30 HQ bonuses. Bonus number three is access Jono's launch jacker course. That's value $344. Bonus number four is for Vanquish, Jono's last launch. You get 4 license rights for Vanquish. And bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses that are on the sales page. So instead of just buying it for $17, guys, rather these are all of the bonuses that you're going to get from me. They're all waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account, and you can purchase it that way. Let's go. You purchase it through my link at 9 a.m. tomorrow. It starts on Tuesday and ends on Sunday. You click on any of these buttons, it will take you over to the sales page. Let's go into the Polaris software. You can see here's the dashboard, here's the funnels. To build the funnels, you click on there and all the training will show exactly how to do that. Polaris products, these are the different niches that they've got products in: affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, fitness, health, self-improvement, dating and relationship, Clickbank car tickets, and other best Clickbank products, the marketing resources for all of those products, your subscribers. So you can either integrate through the settings your autoresponder or have Polaris collect the names for you, and then you can download it into a CSV file. So you don't need to worry about you don't even need an autoresponder, but you can hook it up. And then there's traffic and sales training here. That's an upgrade, but on the front end, let's just go back there. There are all the categories. It shows you there's the tutorials. I've been through the tutorials here, which show you exactly how to do all of that. So guys, yeah, I think that this is a pretty cool here we go, email templates. Let's just go to the dashboard quickly. I want to show you something here quickly. So total funnels 20, total views 42, total subscribers 7, total templates 70. So that's the product, Polaris. It's a software. It's cloud-based. People don't need to pay for hosting. It's all in the cloud. It creates a squeeze page to be able to build your list and a thank you page. The training is excellent. The software is very well written. It's very clean and easy to use. And this gets my highest recommendation. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I'll send you an email. If you've already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Guys, come through my link, get these bonuses. They came from Jono, my coach. They're going to be all the bonuses will be available for 3 days until the launch will be finishing on Sunday. But for 3 days, you can buy through my link and get my bonuses. And I appreciate all of you for watching my video. This has been Saul Maraney in Cape Town, South Africa, and Polaris is going to be a game changer. It's definitely like really, really great for Clickbank and save a lot of money for other funnel building software that you're paying for. Speak to you guys soon. Cheers.